The different parts of the aircraft are known as the wings, the tail section, the nose section, and your landing gear. The tail section is often referred to as the empennage, and from the tail forward is known as the fuselage. The aircraft can rotate around 3 different axes. We can roll the aircraft, we can pitch the aircraft, and we can yaw the aircraft. The pilot uses the ailerons, which are located on the trailing edge, the outer portion of the wings, to control the roll motion. The pilot would roll the aircraft about the longitudinal axis. The longitudinal axis runs from nose to tail. The pilot can pitch the aircraft around the lateral axis. The lateral axis runs from wingtip to wingtip, and the pilot uses the elevator to pitch the aircraft. The elevators are located on the trailing edge of your horizontal stabilizer. Sometimes it's called a stabilator, depending on your type aircraft. And finally, the pilot would use the rudder to control the yaw about the vertical axis, and the vertical axis passes from top to bottom straight through your aircraft. And the pilot uses the rudder, which are your foot pedals, to move the rudder to yaw the aircraft, and the rudder is located on the trailing portion of your vertical stabilizer. So these are our primary flight controls that we use to roll, pitch, and yaw the aircraft. We use the ailerons to roll the aircraft, and we use the yoke to pitch the aircraft, and we use our rudder pedals with our feet to yaw the aircraft.